Video will show how you can style your HTML page using inline CSS styling using jQuery. So at the moment we've got the HTML page linked to our external jQuery file, and the JavaScript is doing the styling for us. So we'll actually comment this out, and I'll show you how we can do the same in jQuery. I'm just going to copy this so we can replicate it in jQuery. So the first thing that we want to do is to wait for the HTML page to be loaded. So we'll use the ready function, which will take us to the next function. We'll close it off. Okay, so right here, I'm just going to paste what I've copied from the JavaScript file, and I'm going to do something similar to this line. I'll show you how we can reuse this to do the jQuery version. So this part remains the same, but we're not using the document getElementID as such, but instead we'll use jQuery using the $sign and the hash to get the element by its ID. Let's save and refresh and just make sure that I did not save this part. Just make sure that nothing is major. All right, now the next thing we want to do is to actually access the CSS method that will allow us to write multiple CSS properties with their corresponding values. Let's close it off before we forget to do that. Okay, so to add a property, just enclose it with double quotations like this and separate it from the value using a colon, and then put the value and then a comma to add another value. So here is the border. Now we'll do the other one. So with the width, double quotations, colon, and the value. Save and refresh, and it's there. And then what we have is the padding. And oh, sorry, it won't be a semicolon, and that either. It's a comma. Check your answer, and we have a display. We can I forgot the quotations. So we can even do something different. We can do inline block. Check your answer, and then we can also add a margin, and add this value. Now we can delete this whole thing. Refresh, check. I might get rid of that border actually, because it's not showing nicely. Right, so your score is 0 out of 3, and of course if we change it to a correct one, that changes as well. So that's how you can also add some inline styling in jQuery. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next ones.